Thank you for calling Globe Telecom. My name is Nicole. How can I assist you today?
Hi Nicole, I'm calling because my internet has been down since yesterday and I need it back up as soon as possible. I work from home and this is really affecting my productivity.
I'm so sorry to hear that, Christian. I completely understand how important a stable connection is, especially when you're working remotely. Let me look into this for you right away. Could you please provide your account number or registered phone number so I can check your service status?
Sure, it's 0912-345-6789.
Hmm. I see there's a maintenance upgrade happening in Christian's area, which is expected to be completed in the next 6 hours. But since he relies on the internet for work, I need to offer a temporary solution to ensure he stays connected while waiting. Thank you for your patience, Christian. I've checked your account, and it looks like there's an ongoing maintenance upgrade in your area, which should be completed within 6 hours. In the meantime, I can offer you a free data allocation to use as a hotspot for your mobile phone, so you can stay connected until the service is restored. Would that work for you?
Oh, that will be really helpful. I didn't think of that. Thank you so much, Nicole.
You're very welcome, Christian. I'll go ahead and add a 10 gigabyte of free mobile data to your account now. You'll receive a confirmation message shortly. If the service isn't restored within the expected time frame, feel free to reach out and I'll make sure to follow up on it. Thank you for calling Globe Telecom. My name is Nicole. How can I assist you today?
Hi Nicole, I am interested in getting a postpaid plan. I've been using a prepaid SIM, but I'm thinking about switching to postpaid, so I don't have to keep reloading all the time. Can you tell me about your plans?
Of course, Mark, I'd be happy to help. May I ask how much data you typically use each month and whether you use your phone for more calls, browsing, or streaming?
I use around 20 gigabyte of data per month, and I do a lot of streaming and video calls since I work remotely.
Thanks for that, Mark. Based on your usage, I'd recommend our postpaid plan 1499, which comes with 25 gigabytes of data, unlimited calls and texts. This plan is perfect for your streaming and work needs.
I didn't think about that. How much will that cost?
We have a special promo right now where you can get our Globe at Home Fiber plan 1699, which gives you up to 100 Mbps. If you bundle it with your mobile plan, you'll also get an additional 5 gigabyte of mobile data every month for free.
That sounds good. I think 25 gigabytes should enough for me.
Since Christian works from home and does a lot of streaming and video calls, a fiber internet connection would give him more stability and higher speeds, which he might appreciate. I should introduce this as an option. That's a great choice, Christian. While we're setting that up, I noticed that you mentioned you work remotely and do a lot of streaming. Have you considered getting our Globe at Home fiber internet as well? It offers a faster and more reliable internet connectivity for you, which could be a great backup for your mobile plan and ensures a seamless connectivity.
Wow, that's good deal. I've been meaning to get more stable home internet connection. Let's go ahead and add that too.
Great decision, Christian. I'll take care of setting up both your postpaid mobile plan and Globe at Home fiber. You'll receive a confirmation for both services within the next few minutes.